Welcome to Bestsellers Market. Today, we're diving into an exciting countdown of the best-selling engines and engine parts products on Amazon. These top-rated picks are trusted by countless customers for their quality and performance. Without further ado, let's jump right in and explore the best of the best in engines and engine parts. Without delay, let's dive into number 5 on our countdown of the best-selling engines and engine parts on Amazon, the K&N Premium Oil Filter, HP-1002. This isn't just any oil filter. It's a powerhouse designed to protect and enhance your engine's performance. First, consider the high flow rates. This filter ensures exceptional oil flow, maintaining a steady and consistent supply to your engine, which is crucial for optimal performance. Whether you're driving a Ford, Lincoln, Toyota, or Volkswagen, you can trust this filter to keep things running smoothly. The versatility of the K&N Premium Oil Filter is truly remarkable. It's compatible with synthetic, conventional, and blended motor oils. So regardless of what oil you prefer, this filter has you covered, making it an adaptable choice for various drivers. Now let's talk protection. The pleated synthetic blend filtration media is designed to capture and remove harmful contaminants from your oil. This keeps your engine cleaner and extends its life. Your engine's longevity and efficiency are significantly boosted with this meticulous filtration process. Reliability is key, and this filter has been extensively tested in the lab. It offers excellent capacity and burst strength, so you can be confident it will perform under pressure, literally. Convenience is also a major plus. The fast and easy wrench-off removal means no more struggling with your filter during changes. It's designed for quick and hassle-free removal, saving you time and effort. Built to last, the heavy-duty construction of this canister provides outstanding durability. It's a robust choice for those who demand reliability and performance from their engine parts. And the best part? It comes with a 1-year limited warranty. Peace of mind is guaranteed with this no-hassle warranty, ensuring you're covered in case of any issues. Lastly, high capacity is a standout feature. This filter is built to withstand the longer service intervals now recommended by some vehicle manufacturers. It means fewer oil changes and more time enjoying the drive. So for an oil filter that promises high flow rates, versatile compatibility, exceptional protection, and ease of use, look no further than the K&N Premium Oil Filter, HP-1002. Keep your engine running at its best with this top-tier filter.
Let's dive right into number 4 on our countdown of the best-selling engines and engine parts on Amazon, the K&N Premium Oil Filter, HP-1011. This filter isn't just a component. It's a masterpiece of engineering designed to elevate your vehicle's performance and longevity. Starting with high flow rates, this filter ensures a robust and consistent oil flow to your engine, a critical aspect for maintaining peak performance. It's compatible with select Buick, Cadillac, Chevrolet, and Ford vehicle models, making it a versatile choice for many drivers. The versatility doesn't stop there. Whether you use synthetic, conventional, or blended motor oils, this filter is designed to operate seamlessly with all. It's the perfect fit for various oil types, adapting effortlessly to your needs. Protecting your engine is paramount, and the K&N Premium Oil Filter excels here. The pleated synthetic blend filtration media is specifically engineered to remove harmful contaminants from your oil. This means cleaner oil, a healthier engine, and ultimately, a smoother ride. Reliability is assured with extensive laboratory testing, which guarantees excellent capacity and burst strength. You can trust this filter to perform exceptionally well under various conditions, ensuring your engine remains in top shape. Convenience is a highlight with the fast and easy wrench-off removal feature. No more struggling during oil changes. This filter is designed for quick and hassle-free removal, saving you time and effort. Durability is key, and the heavy-duty construction of this canister ensures outstanding resilience. It's built to last, providing long-term reliability and performance for your vehicle. Peace of mind is part of the package with a 1-year limited warranty. This no-hassle warranty means you're covered in case of any issues, allowing you to drive with confidence. Finally, high capacity is a significant advantage. This filter is designed to withstand the longer service intervals now recommended by some vehicle manufacturers. Fewer oil changes mean more time on the road and less time in the garage. In summary, For a high-performance oil filter that offers exceptional flow rates, versatile compatibility, superior protection, and durability, the K&N Premium Oil Filter, HP-1011, is an outstanding choice. Enhance your engine's performance and reliability with this top-tier filter.
Let's dive right into number 3 on our countdown of the best-selling engines and engine parts on Amazon. The Mopar 4892339AA Oil Filter. This filter is more than a necessity. It's a cornerstone of reliable engine maintenance, designed specifically for your vehicle. First off, the fit type is vehicle-specific. This means it's engineered to match the exact specifications of your car, ensuring a seamless fit and optimal performance. No guesswork, just precision. Dimensions matter when it comes to compatibility and installation. The package dimensions are 9.144 centimeters in height, 8.128 centimeters in length, and 8.128 centimeters in width. Compact yet powerful, it's designed to integrate smoothly into your engine system. Manufactured in China, this oil filter benefits from rigorous quality control standards and advanced manufacturing techniques. It's a testament to the global effort in producing top-notch automotive parts. Weighing in at just 0.222 kilograms, the Mopar 4892339AA oil filter is lightweight, making it easy to handle during installation and removal. Despite its lightweight, it packs a punch in terms of durability and performance. The Mopar 4892339AA oil filter stands out in the crowded market of engine parts. It's the perfect blend of precision engineering, compact design, and robust construction. For those seeking a dependable, vehicle-specific oil filter, this is a top choice. In conclusion, the Mopar 4892339AA oil filter is tailored for your vehicle, ensuring a perfect fit and reliable performance. Its compact size and lightweight build make it a convenient and effective choice for maintaining your engine's health. Make the smart choice for your car with this exceptional oil filter. Are you revving up with our countdown of the best-selling engines and engine parts on Amazon? Well, don't stall out. Be sure to give us a like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so you never miss a gear. Let's dive right into number 2 on our countdown of the best-selling engines and engine parts on Amazon, the K&N Premium Oil Filter, HP-1017. This isn't just another oil filter. It's a high-performance marvel designed to protect and enhance your engine's life. First and foremost, let's talk about high flow rates. This oil filter is meticulously designed to provide exceptional flow rates, ensuring a consistent and steady flow of oil to your engine. Whether you're driving an ALFA ROMEO, Buick, Chevrolet, or Dodge, this filter guarantees optimal performance. Versatility is one of its strongest suits. The K&N Premium Oil Filter is compatible with all synthetic, conventional, and blended motor oils. This means regardless of your oil preference, this filter adapts seamlessly, making it a versatile addition to any vehicle. Protection is paramount. With pleated synthetic blend filtration media, this filter efficiently removes most harmful contaminants from your oil. This keeps your engine cleaner, enhances its performance, and extends its lifespan. Your engine deserves this level of care and precision. Reliability is assured with extensive laboratory testing. The filter boasts excellent capacity and burst strength, ensuring it performs flawlessly under various conditions. It's a testament to the rigorous testing and quality assurance behind each unit. Convenience is a key feature. The fast and easy wrench-off removal makes oil changes a breeze. No more struggling with your filter, just quick and hassle-free removal, saving you time and effort. Durability is another highlight. The heavy-duty canister construction provides outstanding durability, ensuring the filter stands up to the demands of your engine. It's built to last, providing long-term reliability. Peace of mind comes standard with the 1-year limited warranty. This no-hassle warranty ensures you're covered in case of any issues, giving you confidence and assurance in your purchase. Finally, high capacity is crucial. This filter is designed to withstand the longer service intervals now recommended by some vehicle manufacturers. This means fewer oil changes and more time enjoying the road. In summary, the K&N Premium Oil Filter, HP-1017, offers high flow rates, versatile compatibility, superior protection, easy removal, and heavy-duty construction. It's a top choice for anyone looking to enhance their engine's performance and longevity. Choose excellence. choose K&N. Now, the moment you've all been waiting for. Number 1 on our countdown of the best-selling engines and engine parts on Amazon. Introducing the K&N oil filter for select INFINITI, MAZDA, NISSAN, and SUBARU vehicles, model HP-1008. This oil filter is the epitome of performance and reliability, setting the gold standard for engine protection. Let's start with the exceptional flow rates. This filter is meticulously designed to ensure a consistent and steady flow of oil to your engine. High flow rates mean your engine gets the lubrication it needs, reducing wear and tear, and keeping it running smoothly. Whether you're navigating city streets or cruising on the highway, this filter delivers top-tier performance. Versatility is a hallmark of the K&N HP-1008. It's compatible with all synthetic, conventional, and blended motor oils. This makes it a versatile choice for drivers with diverse preferences and ensures it meets the needs of various engine types with ease. Protection is where this filter truly shines. Featuring pleated synthetic blend filtration media, it effectively removes harmful contaminants from your oil. Cleaner oil translates to a healthier engine, improved performance, and extended engine life. Your vehicle deserves the best, and this filter delivers exactly that. Reliability is paramount, and this filter has undergone extensive laboratory testing to ensure it meets the highest standards. Excellent capacity and burst strength mean it performs reliably under the most demanding conditions. You can trust the K&N HP-1008 to protect your engine no matter what. Ease of removal is another standout feature. With the fast and easy wrench-off removal, oil changes become a hassle-free experience. No more struggling with your filter, just quick, effortless removal that saves you time and frustration. Durability is a key factor. The heavy-duty canister construction ensures this filter is built to last. It's designed to withstand the rigors of engine operation, providing long-term reliability and peace of mind. And let's not forget the 1-year limited warranty. This no-hassle warranty means you're covered in case of any issues, giving you confidence and reassurance with your purchase. Lastly, high capacity is a crucial advantage. The K&N HP-1008 is designed to handle the longer service intervals now recommended by some vehicle manufacturers. This means fewer oil changes and more time enjoying the open road. In summary, the K&N oil filter for select INFINITI, MAZDA, Nissan, and SUBARU vehicles, model HP-1008, offers unparalleled flow rates, versatile compatibility, superior protection, easy removal, and exceptional durability. It's the #1 choice for those seeking the ultimate in engine protection and performance. Choose the best, choose K&N. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the best-selling engines and engine parts on Amazon. To stay updated with all the top products, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Check the pinned comment for links to all the products we featured today. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.